Man, you ugly, bitch, you ugly. If my baby come out ugly, I still love it. That my baby. If a nigga do it dirty, I'ma bust it. Boom, boom.
Out here chilling at the Murdaface Compound. Day 3. About to get it.
I've been dreaming about them better days. Get a house up in the hills with a pool, not a lake. Hollywood way, one way ticket here to stay. I ain't never going back, I'd rather be inside the grave. I've been dreaming about them better days. Get a house up in the hills with a pool, not a lake. Hollywood way, one way ticket here to stay. I ain't never going back, I'd rather be inside the grave. I've been chasing this cause it's my destiny. I ain't never let nobody ever get the best of me. Sometimes I feel like the universe be testing me. Elementary, I'm always getting ASO cause this shit ain't that complex to me. I got that drip drip just like a faucet. If you take a risk, you better be ready to take some losses, and eventually they turn to profits. Either way, you can't be folding under pressure cause a new day's always around the corner. They change it constantly just like the weather. I've been feeling like the man now, always tense, it's ahead like I'm playing chess, but I ain't playing chess cause I don't play no games. Would you going slow, switch lanes? Would you always running your mouth every day you an interview? That's why nobody be into you. My circle's so small it turned into a square. Why you wanna be my friend now? Who are you? I don't care. If you weren't there for me when I was down, then why would I want you anywhere? But the ones who stay with me gon' be up with me when I eventually get there. Because I've been dreaming about them better days. Get a house up in the hills with a pool, not a lake. Hollywood way. One way ticket here to stay. I ain't never going back, I'd rather be inside the grave. I've been dreaming about them better days. Get a house up in the hills with a pool, not a lake. Hollywood way, one way ticket here to stay. I ain't never going back, I'd rather be a the grave. I've been thinking about the times when I almost lost hope, when I was holding on to drugs cause I ain't have no hand to hold. But nowadays it seems like everyone reaching out will take a hand back cause I don't do no handouts. Look at who's laughing and who now. Always wanna talk but never wanna listen. You done drained the Kool-Aid with pulp cause that shit extra fiction. My life just like a magazine, there's always new additions. Might just need to go to rehab, getting money, my damn. Relationship goals, your life goals. Bitch, you need help, better call up Geico. I don't trust nobody, I shot at the Shiloh. Snake like Gucci, can see with my eyes closed. Only ever keep the dead ones around me, the ones that ain't tough, always softer than dowdy. Smoking the A, can't breathe, it's too cloudy. I know I'm up next, so I say so proudly. I've been dreaming about them better days. Get a house up in the hills with a pool, not a lake. Hollywood way, one way ticket here to stay. I ain't never going back, I'd rather be inside the grave. I've been